Secret strangers online. I am nobody, but I want to be with you. So let's talk about TikTok, guys. I have 60 seconds. And what it's hard to understand, guys, TikTok have a security threat. Although I have my TikTok, but I'm using in an old phone, that no phone carrier, because I believe in the expert. I believe in the government. They just try to protect the system. Other country become a shithole because they don't have a proper security. They don't have like that. So there's a lot of social media platform like Likee, Likee, that you can express yourself, you can entertain yourself, you can advertise your business. Why don't you patient in that than the TikTok? Because the government already told us so that it was not safe to use in your gadget. So please agree with the expert.